Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Cinema Space 4K. Today I am going to unbox this Tizum USB-Ethernet Adapter. I have purchased this from Amazon because my laptop does not come with a Ethernet jack. Some features are mentioned in the box, so without wasting much time, let's unbox the package. There's only the Ethernet adapter inside, which is all what we need, so let us take it out. I have ordered a USB-A version. There was also some companies offering USB-C version. Since my laptop only has one USB-C port and USB-C to USB-C hubs are very expensive, I chose to buy a USB-A version. This is our adapter itself. There is a Ethernet jack on the left side with no LED lights for indications and the USB 2.0 cable on the right side. I need only USB 2 and 100 Mbps Ethernet adapter because my home internet is only 30 megabits per second. This is the speed test when I connected the laptop to my Wi-Fi. As you can see, I am getting less than 1 Mbps download because the laptop is sitting around 10 meters from the Wi-Fi router. Now, in this test, I have connected my smartphone to USB cable and enabled USB tethering on the smartphone and connected the smartphone to the Wi-Fi network. I am getting around 34 megabits per second download speed, which is actually very good. If you have a smartphone all the time, I don't recommend to buy Ethernet adapter. This is the speed test where I directly connected the Ethernet adapter to laptop and the Ethernet cable to the adapter. I am getting 31 megabits per second. This is the same speed I would have get if my laptop has an Ethernet jack. So this is a very good and usable item, but if you have a smartphone, you can always use your smartphone as a Wi-Fi Ethernet adapter by just connecting a USB cable and doing it. In this test, I have connected the Ethernet adapter directly to my smartphone and testing. I am getting around 31 megabits per second. Okay, now I have removed the Ethernet adapter and connected to my Wi-Fi network via Wi-Fi, and as you can see, the speed is around the same 30 megabits per second max because my home network is only 30 megabits per second. So what are my opinions? Even though this adapter is working fine and good, I don't recommend to buy this exact same brand one because this uses a AX88772 chipset, which is the same chipset found on some cheaper model from Sons, Quantum, etc. So get them instead. Do not get this expensive one. This cost me around 510 rupees. You can get the exact same chipset USB adapter for around 350-400 rupees. If you already have a smartphone and don't mind plugging it all the time to your laptop, you can just get a USB cable and connect and enable USB tethering on smartphone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you again in our next video.